In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stylish Instagram name using a font generator. If you've ever wondered how people get those eye-catching decorative names on their profiles, this is a quick and simple way to do it safely and cleanly. Start by opening a web browser on your phone. Chrome works great, but any modern mobile browser will do. In the search bar, type Instagram font style generator and hit search. You'll see several results right away. Look for a result labeled something like Instagram fonts generator and tap it. Choose a site that looks clean and easy to navigate and avoid pages overloaded with pop-ups. Once the page loads, you'll see a text box at the top. Click into that box and type your name exactly as you want it to appear. Most generators instantly show a list of styled versions below as you type. What's happening behind the scenes is that the tool is converting your text into Unicode characters that look like different fonts, which Instagram usually supports in the name field. Now scroll down through the options and preview how each style looks. Take a moment to consider readability and length. While super fancy scripts can look cool, they can also be hard to read or get cut off if they're too long. It's a good idea to pick something clean enough that your friends and followers can recognize you quickly. Also, some symbols might not display on all devices, so choose a style that looks good and stays legible. When you find the style you like, tap and hold to copy it. If the site offers a dedicated copy button, use that for convenience. With the text copied, open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap Edit Profile, then tap the name field. Press and hold, and paste the stylish name you just copied. Save your changes. If your name doesn't save or looks odd, try a slightly simpler variation or remove extra symbols, since Instagram has character limits and may block certain characters. That's all there is to it. You searched for an Instagram font style generator, typed your name, scrolled to choose a design you liked, copied it, and pasted it into your profile's name field. Keep it readable, keep it you, and you'll stand out in a way that fits your vibe. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.